can we make it easier for people to really access finance? Let's also look at our, we don't say haki yetu, we say wajibu wetu. Wajibu wetu ni nini? To do the right thing. Therefore, if I take a loan or whatever, I make sure I will repay and I'll service the debt, because otherwise I don't stretch myself.
Can we organize our SMEs from Mama Mboga to everyone else seated in this room so that they have proper working spaces, so that first we can clean our cities and our country, as we are the champions of environment. Our president is an Africa champion, and we have to demonstrate that. But secondly, so that you grow.
I am pleased to note that over the years, KEPSA has remained committed and always at the forefront in improving the overall business climate, supporting SMEs growth, and promoting Kenya's economic development agenda.